And some people say, oh man, that's impossible. How can that be? You'll be one of the best hedge funds ever if you can do that. Well, I would argue that we are taking a buy and hold process, which beats most hedge funds. That's already been studied already. Most mutual funds, most hedge fund managers cannot beat the S&P 500. That buy and hold process on the S&P 500, and we're just adding gasoline to it. We're adding steroids to it. We believe here at Dorian Trader that we all need to come up with a way to give ourselves a consistent income when trading. Not only consistent, but something we can count on month in and month out. And so I thought about having $100,000 account. And I said to myself, this is the premise, you guys. I said, what if I lost all my income? I lost all my ability to make any income, and I only had 100K, and my monthly expenses, regardless of all the cuts I can do, my monthly expenses are 4K. That's the bare minimum. That is my amount I have to have is 4K. And so if that was the case, then if we divide 4K into 100K, you're going to get 25 months. Okay, I'm just going to put 25M. You're going to run out of money in 25 months. That's 2 years and 1 month. If that same situation was, if you had 100K and you needed 2K to meet your monthly obligations, well, that's going to be 50 months. That's 4 years and 2 months. So we know we would run out of money in this scenario. If we were using the 4 or the 2, we know exactly when we're going to run out of money. But what if we could manufacture through trading this 4K each month or this 2K each month? What if we can do that and count on it month in and month out? If that's the case, we can take this 25 months and extend it into potentially forever. We can take this 50 months and extend it, once again, potentially to ever. And so what we have created here at Dorian Trader is taking the safeguard strategy. You guys know that that is the strategy that we built upon the wheel strategy on, right? We went from the wooden wheel to the rubber wheel. The wheel strategy consists of the cash secured put and the covered call. That has risk all the way to zero and unlimited upside. What we did is went to the safeguard strategy and added 2 more strategies to those 2 that we just went over. We added the collar strategy, which limits your downside. You do not have risk all the way to zero anymore. The wheel strategy, once again, has risk all the way to zero. And then we added what we call the bionic bull, which you can structure to have unlimited upside, which the wheel strategy does not. When we put all those 4 strategies together, we call it the safeguard. But if we take the collar strategy from it, that can be the strategy that helps us get that 4K or 2K a month religiously that we can count on to be able to take care of our bills. But not only count on that, but grow our principal, grow that 100K that we start with. Just want to take a quick second and say if you're interested in learning more, please consider joining our trading club. You can do so for a 90-day trial period for a flat $60. Check out the description below. Now back to the video. We use the ES, which is the S&P 500, but it's the futures contract. We do a collar on the futures contract, which is leveraged. The futures contract is leveraged. The futures options are leveraged. We're putting a collar on it so that when the market goes up 1%, we're actually getting more than that. We're getting like 5% potentially when the market goes up 1%. And obviously, if the market goes down 1%, we can potentially lose 5%. But we use the collar to limit our downside and be able to get the upside, enough of the upside to be able to not only take out monies each month, but grow our principal over time. You're not going to always be able to grow your principal, but you should be able to grow it the super majority time over time if the market is going up. And we know through history, the S&P 500 goes up over time. It goes up like 70+% each year, every year. It goes up like 84% every 5 years. It's like 94% every 10 years. And it's 100% of the time every 20 years. That's any 20-year period. It's no cherry picking in any of those examples I just gave. If we can take that concept, right? If we just bought the S&P 500 and rolled it up, we will make money as it goes over time. We will make money. But if we marry options to it, we can actually have an income play attached to it. And so if we can sell each month $4,000 in premium, that is that money we can take out. That's 4% a month off 100K. That's 48% in a year off 100K. If you're doing the two, that's 2% a month, 24% in a year, and still be able to grow your principal. And some people say, oh man, that's impossible. How can that be? You'll be one of the best hedge funds ever if you can do that. Well, I would argue that we are taking a buy and hold process, which beats most hedge funds. That's already been studied already. Most mutual funds, most hedge funds managers cannot beat the S&P 500. We're taking that concept, that buy and hold process on the S&P 500, and we're just adding gasoline to it. We're adding steroids to it. As an option seller, you know the premium that you receive, you never have to give back. You can count on that. That's either going to be a hedge for you, or it's going to be that income you can take. It's going to be that growth that you make. And so if we can limit the downside with the collar, sell $4,000 a month in premium, and that's what we take out. And if the market grows, if it goes up, your account is going to go up. Then that's how your principal will continue to grow. Can it be done? I believe so, because of that fact and because of what has been created. This couldn't happen in the past. We didn't have weekly options. We didn't have the type of platforms that allow you to be able to implement this type of strategy in a effective way. Now we have the ability to dynamically change the risk each and every week and make sure that if the market is going up, we don't miss that upside. Historically, collar strategies lag the S&P 500 because you missed out on that upside so much, because you couldn't do weekly options. You couldn't structure it the way we talk about it here at Dorian Trader. But because you can do weekly options, you can change that risk dynamics each and every week. So the call never gets too far into the money, and the put never gets too far away from at the money. So you keep moving your risk dynamics every single week, and you're collecting the monies that you need every single week. So if you need $4,000 a month, you're collecting $1,000 a week. That equals $4,000 in a 4-week period. That's what you're taking out. Is your principal going to drop sometime? Yes, I said that. Through the back testing that I did with this, you might go as low as 60,000 in a real bad situation like 2008 that's extended. But after that, you gain it all back, plus some. Having the ability to meet your requirements with a certain amount of capital. You will not run out if it's the case. And some of you, I've been talking about this for months, and some of you have been doing it for months already, and it's played out that way. If the market goes up, your account is going to grow and you're going to be able to take money out of it. We all know the market goes up most of the time. When the market drops, and it drops a lot, which it will eventually, your put is going to kick in and you're going to be able to get a credit each week when the market drops. That's going to be the income that you can continue to get even though the market has dropped and it's down for a while. This is our signature thing here at Dorian Trader. Now and going forward is our safeguard strategy with this income overlay. Using the collar on the ES. Can you do it on the UPRO or the SPY? Yes. But the ES, I think it's so much more dynamic. It's so much more upside. This is the way we're going to do it.